Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box. And it's a very simplistic look. All you see here is the owner's manual, which is going to tell you everything you need to know about this lapel mic, and then the case itself for the lapel mic and everything inside. It's very rugged, very nice and sturdy, something that's going to protect whatever's inside. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Alright, and when we open it here, one of the first things that we see is the cables that we have. The first one that we have here is for a phone. It's basically an aux cable if you have an older phone, and the second one here is for a camera that you want to connect it to, and then the last one here is for a phone, so you'll be able to connect it from a USB-C connected to the receiver. Alright, and then the next items are the furry windscreens, and then we also comes with a USB-C cable, so you can go ahead and charge it. So it's USB-C to USB-A, and this is the main case where your receiver and also your mics will come in. I really like this case. It's very sturdy. It does have a USB-C in the back and it's very rugged. I also like the look of it. It's very slick, and I love that the case, the mics, and the receiver are all magnetic, so they just slide in and are magnetized. It's just awesome. Even the little door of the case is magnetized, so it closes and locks magnetically, and again the receiver just pops right back in there. I love that, and I also love the little lights in the front that tells you how much charge it has. Alright, let's go ahead and take out this mic here, and right here we see that we have the power button on this side. Let's go ahead and turn it around, and we have two buttons on this other side. We have the noise cancellation button at the bottom here, and also a pair button if you ever need it. Alright, let's go ahead and turn this on. You just press and hold the button, and this blinking blue light just lets you know that it's trying to pair to the receiver. Alright, and now to the receiver. On one side you have the power button, a volume up button, and a volume down button. And the other side you have a mono and stereo button, as well as a pairing button if you were able to need that. Alright, and that's it for the unboxing. I honestly really love the quality of this item. I love that whenever you take out the mic, it just automatically connects to the receiver without you having to pair it every time. And here's an example of it. So if I take the mic and the receiver out, it just connects to each other without having to pair it every single time. It just automatically connects. And if I take the other mic out, it automatically connects. It's just plug and play. And if I put one mic away, it just starts charging and disconnects, and it just works flawlessly every single time.